Alright guys, before we get rolling into this video, I do want to let you guys know LS Nasty has some new shirts out. I'll put one right here so you can take a look at it. It's a new American flag themed LS Nasty shirt. It says LS Nasty and the American flag on the front and LS Nasty in white on the back. It is a badass shirt. I'm going to do pre-orders for I think a week or two. So if you guys want to get them, you can go down there and get the pre-orders in, and then we'll be shipping them out as soon as we get our hands on them. Hope you guys enjoy today's video. Oh, Vince, you rode all the way down here in the trailer? Oh, so you did too? Ben, you...
It's stuffy.
Wow, I thought I came down here by myself today, guys. No?
We're here.
Oh, alright, well, hey, Vince, VF Media, we got the guru, okay, you got the box of goodies right there. What's in there? It's full of dollar bills because you think you're going to the club later, huh? Yeah? No.
Hey, he is, it's his birthday.
It's his birthday. Everyone wish Vince a happy birthday. Go check out his YouTube channel, VF Media. Wait, hold on. Any of the nice cinematic footage did not come from this guy.
Wait, so how old are you now, Vince? 12 and a half?
What's going on, man? How you doing?
Made it, man.
Hey, thanks for getting me out. Appreciate it. All right, guys, so we are out here at where are we at? South Carolina Motorplex, Orangeburg. We got Westbo, Vince, and Ben right there. We're just out here chilling, hanging out. They got a grudge race down here. It's like mayhem at the Motorplex. My buddy Seamus is putting on the event. Great event. They normally do it every year, so you guys definitely need to come out to the next one. Today with us, we have the old boosted Rooster, and she's not looking normal. She's a little bit different. Let me show you what we did to her. You guys saw the video. We put some new wheels on it, and this is gonna be the first look because you guys didn't get to see them outside of the shop. You guys only got to see them in the shop. And pow, looks tough, Wes. It looks tough. Alumistar fronts, stock brakes, looks great. Alumistar rears. Vince, you like the wheels?
Oh, yeah.
You just got behind the wheel.
Yeah.
Vince is out here wheeling it. You want you some?
Huh?
You want some?
Want some what?
You want some of this?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Vince wants some. Yeah, you want to make a pass? You want to go? You want to pull a wheelie? We'll put you on the bumper. Vince would throw up. He'd be like, "Nah, I can't do it. I ain't having it." Is that really 40 pounds?
It don't look like it does.
I normally don't run an M&H tire for that reason, but hey, it's an iron block. It's a little heavy. It's an iron block. You don't want to dent a wheel. First, what's that?
They're only running,
Only 4 lug nuts on each side. No, I kept stripping them, dude. I must have got a bad batch of lug nuts because every time I tighten them, I torque them down to 80 foot-pounds, which is not a lot for a lug nut. I do it solely because they're aluminum and they were stripping out.
I think this was
like, look at this one. Oh no, this is a different one. That's a different.
That
Yeah.
looks fine to me.
Yeah, no, they're all in there. I hope they're in there, dude. I really do.
35. That one over there was 33 originally. It looked flat.
This one looks like it's got more ass.
I don't know.
Alright, so it's getting a little bit later in the day. They're getting ready to run. Ben and I have been running around. We got some different lug nuts for the car because we were having an issue with torquing down the front lug nuts when I was putting on the wheels yesterday. They kept stripping. I think I got a bad batch of lug nuts there, like I said in the previous video. So went and got some more, got those put on the car. And Wes, what do you think? Today?
Been here so long. Nobody's even made it past yet.
We really haven't been. We're about to get teched in. Hey, it's the debut of the new helmet. And shout out to Ben, because Ben's knocking out. Ben, what are you doing now? That's not... What are you tightening down? Going over bumps here? And you have made the executive decision as crew chief that we are no longer wheeling.
Yeah, the car can't take it.
Why? Why is that, Ben?
Bending the frame.
Bending the frame, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, they started running cars. The track is hot. I'm going to get suited up, hop in the Rooster. Ben! You got it tuned up in it?
Yeah.
It's toned. It is toned. So we're on the last setup that it was at when it was at Fayetteville. The last pass, I don't think I showed it, but it just knocked the tires off. It was essentially the same setup that it went 880 on with 100 more RPM launch. And we're gonna see what we can do. We've got some new wheels and tires on the car, so it should go lighter. Or it should go faster because it is lighter. It's not gonna go lighter. It should go faster. Vince, how fast is it gonna go? Too fast. He wanted to say too furious after that, but we don't let him say any Fast and Furious remarks today. Other than that, I left all my chargers at home for all my cameras, so still gonna be a good video, but not a lot of BS. Oh, we got Vince here for the BS. All the B-roll Vince got. Nice.
You better hurry up, you're next.
I'm not worried. I'll take my time. Coming out first time. Excited. Be excited. First time with that helmet, I'm probably gonna, with the helmet paint on, I'm probably gonna cut like a 0.6 light.
Total amateur hour.
Mustang up, down south, sharp looking car.
Oh god, it's not even a full battery.
Folks, remind you again about our sponsor here in the South Carolina Motorplex. Motivational Tubing, new sponsor for the year. RacerDirect.net.
Alright guys, so first pass in the books, a little story to why it didn't help after Dog gets done talking. They were running left lane only, the car before me. What did it do, Wes? Lay down some water or something?
Window was like barely any water.
Just a little bit of water in the left lane, so they're like, oh, go right lane. Well, right before, when I got down to the stage lanes, they're like, you're not going to run right lane because it's not fully prepped yet. So they stuck me down there, and we had a hot tune-up in it for the track that the left lane would have helped and would have held or would have gone down through, but it literally didn't even move an inch. There was no glue on that track, was there? No glue. I don't think they've run a car down it all day, so there's no heat, no glue, no nothing. So the only thing we got out of that pass was they were new tires, and we scrubbed them in. Tires are broken in, man.
Yep.
So for safety reasons, not for safety reasons, just to 100% get down the track so we have a good pass, so we have some data, so we have a starting point. We're gonna turn it down, hop back in the left lane, and make another pass. Vince, how'd it look?
It's alright.
It's alright. Alright.
Holy crap.
It did look like it. It felt like crap. I let go of the button and the car literally didn't move, and I'm like looking down at the trans brake like, my finger isn't on it. Alright guys, breaking up there a little bit. That's why we're out here making test passes. We haven't really changed anything on the car setup wise. I mean, everything's the same. We put new plugs in it and it started busting up. You can hear it in the burnout. That's why at the first pass, that's why I put new plugs in it. Second pass, you're good. Second pass, it busted up there. I think we got to lose ground somewhere because I grabbed the trans brake and I went to bump and it didn't bump. Or it did bump, but then it let the trans brake off when I bumped, and then I backed up, and so the first time when it launched, I still had my hand on the trans brake. And then we hit it again, and it was very, very lazy getting up on the two-step, so not really sure what that is. We're going to look at it right now. Ben's got his head under there already. Look at the log. Could be a loose ground. It's what it seems like. So hopefully we got it figured out here.
Elimination will be at 6:30.
We're fighting some bad luck. I'm blaming Vince for this.
It's
all Vince's fault. Hey, it's all Vince's fault, really. It is Vince's fault.
It's never acted up until he came to the track.
Honestly. Vince, what the hell?
Three cars can start coming around, and then small blocks can come in right behind.
What?
You don't watch.
Yeah, Vince doesn't watch, so he's not even going to see this.
Dog's going to be there to get you lined up.
Vince still doesn't
Three
even
cars,
know.
shootout cars. Come to
looking at his
lane
phone the whole
7 and
time.
8 first. Lane 7 and 8 first. Small block shootout cars start easing in right behind them.
Vince, what's going on?
5 in one, 4 in the other one. First round elimination is going to be at 6:30. Dog's on his way around there, folks.
I'm going to put you on the spot right now. When's the last time you watched one of John's videos?
Ready to go.
Today?
That's
Prior
right.
to today.
2 days ago?
What's that?
He said he's watched a video 2 days ago.
That's a lie. I know he doesn't watch.
I did. I watched the Tesla one. I fell asleep watching the rest of it.
Fell asleep. What a spit in the face.
As long as I watched the launch song.
He literally just drug a key down the side of your helmet right there.
Unbelievable.
Say what?
Up in the middle. Well, I got out of it early because it was busting up. Didn't do too shabby. But something's going on with the bump box where we can't bump in. Was? Compared to what it was?
It wasn't busting up, was it?
No, it wasn't busting up. No, it did. It did bust up
it's
top, but like
slightly.
Minimal. But like in the mid-range it did. And then I was like, well, I'm not.
I heard it popping a little bit, but then it kind of cleared out.
and then it started to come back, and I lifted, but it went 6'1" at 95, and I was like,
wow, that's not bad. I thought it was a 590 pass.
It would, if I hung it out, it would probably be 580, which I mean, really,
It looked like a 90 pass. It was real smooth.
Hey, it felt good because it was tied down. That thing just like moved, like went forward. Didn't go up.
What was a 60 foot? That's not bad.
No, that isn't bad. We've been fighting the track too, so definitely a huge improvement.
The track is not as good as it was on the second pass.
No, Ben is on it there with the changes that he made. Just kind of going over everything.
The second pass, it's a disappointment we didn't get that second pass off because that track was like tight.
It's kicking my ass.
What is up with it? Can we turn it back to where it was at in Fayetteville?
I'm trying to find out where it was because it quit working, so we got it working back again. Alright guys, there you have it. Just totally kicking our ass today. We got it figured out. Car had way more power in the burnout. Felt like it used to. And then it just, I need to have the trans brake to back up. When I couldn't back up, I didn't have the trans brake. Well, the wire at the end of the cord for the trans brake button came loose, and we couldn't get it working out there. So it's just one of those days. Everything kicked our tail. And these days like this build character, so we battle through it and do what we can, and I think we got to figure it out to go in tomorrow. So we'll see. Gonna see if we can get something to secure that a little bit better. But that's gonna be it for tonight. Ben, are you excited for a nice 3-hour ride home?
Yeah, that's great.
3-hour ride home, everyone. It's one of those days. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, comment, subscribe. We will see you guys in tomorrow's upload.